Hi guys, today we will show you my Windows 8.1 VM in VirtualBox. We can start here, maybe. So, this is my virtual machine that I'm starting, or you can call this, uh, we can have, we can have this, uh, virtual box, as we can know. And yes, it's just lagged, laggy in a boot screen. So it isn't had an lag. So I would I wouldn't uh, restart this again. Why is not starting? I will restart my virtual PC. Where is it? I just want to. Magusia грає із Донецьком. Where is but but what if we just send control alt delete? It isn't. So I gonna try reboot and we'll start again. Yes, it boots again. It's booting. Mm. Oh, it's booting. It's booting. It's booting. Welcome screen. My favorite. Ah. Uh, let's see the start menu. So we have this start menu with Windows 8.1 apps. But if we click on the arrow down, we will see full applications. Oh, I not wanted this. So we have these apps from Windows 8, but it's transferred. Mm, But and oh my god, it has Windows 8.1 store and it's Windows Internet Explorer. Let's see the PC settings. Wow, this is so good. Activate Windows so we can activate Windows here, PC and devices. Guys, do you remember the this lock screen wallpaper display? Oh, we have this display, so we can not so we can switch because okay. Devices. We have this and uh, uh, okay, mouse and touchpad. Select your primary button. I don't know. What is this has? Spelling! Autocorrect, covers and edges. App switching and corner navigation. Power and sleep. Screen on battery power turn off after 5 minutes. I don't know what is this. Autoplay. Autoplay is this feature when you connect your USB or disk space. Yes, clear some space on this PC. And PC name. Sorry guys for notifications. I will restart later. Okay, Windows Edition, Windows 8.1 Pro. Activation. Windows is not activated. We got uh how about um ease of access? We have magnifier, high contrast. We have contrasts keyboard, on-screen keyboard. Ha. Okay. We can change pointer color. What other options? Okay, we can do this. Time and language. Region and language. Bro, we have those languages. As we can see, this is has. Okay, I am not doing language and about network. We have internet network, virtual network icons. Okay, workspace. No, we in workplace. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, we'll do full screen. Control panel. Okay, so guys, I gonna close it. Appearance and personalization. So guys, if you want to install Windows 8.1, I w- I will put link into description. So don't beg it for in comments. This PC, okay, properties, Windows 8.1 Pro, 2013, Microsoft Corporation, all rights reserved. 11, 11 GAN Intel. So, and 64-bit operating system and x64 based processor. No pen or